up everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change Temu location. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Temu and log into your account. Once logged in, on the bottom menu go to the U section. Once over here at the top you'll see many different options, and towards the right you'll see an option for addresses. Tap on it, and over here you'll see your existing addresses, and at the bottom you'll see an option for creating a new address. As we want to change our address, at the top choose the address you would like to change, and towards the right of it you'll see an option for edit. Tap on it. Now here you'll be able to change your full name, your phone number, your province or your city, also your building, street and area. You can also change your postal code, and if you want to change your country, at the top click on country/region, and there you'll see all of these countries, and choose the one you would like to change to, and then a pop-up will appear. Just click on switch to your country, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.